Hi lovelies, welcome back. In today's vlog, I will show you the sampling of lasagna. For this, I have greased my baking tray and put the layer of lasagna sheet. Then I have put the layer of red sauce. Then a layer of smoked barbecue beef. You can also use chicken. And then a layer of vegetable. This is eggplant and capsicum. I will share complete recipe in some other vlog. Then I'm going to add my last layer, which is white sauce. So I'm going to put a generous amount of white sauce. Then repeat all the layerings again. Then at the top I'm going to add a chunks of cheese, and then I'm going to pop this lasagna into oven. Now I'm going to test this Protech straightener which I recently purchased. It has a lock button and also show the temperature at the top, and it also straightens the hair so quickly. Now I will show you how they make the baraf ka gola. So they crush the ice first and later on they put the sweet sauce on top of it, and here you get your baraf ka gola. I just asked him to add red serum to my baraf ka gola. Next day we went to Hashery's. It is on Malam Road. Here you can see the outer view of this cafe. The interior view of this cafe. They have painted wall on one side and some decorative items on some window, and on one corner they have put some bulbs which also look so adorable. Here you can see the overall view of this cafe. They have inserted the newspaper themed wallpaper all over the cafe and brown seating arrangement. We have ordered chicken smoked wraps, Alfredo pasta, chicken grilled sandwich and beef steak. Everything was so delicious and yum. I recommend you to try all these things. Here you can see all the photos which we clicked there. After having our meal, we went to Layers to have some dessert. I have got my favorite Nutella cup and my sister got her favorite red velvet. My friend posts the content related to nature, so if you are interested, do subscribe to her channel and also consider subscription to my channel if you find this helpful. Bye.